morning, everyone. My name is Arslan, and you are watching Proper Tech Tutorial. So, welcome back to the series of AI and automation. And today we'll be learning about how we can boost our digital marketing, how we can boost our customer reach, how we can boost our viewer range by uploading the Google Drive photos that we upload on a daily basis or a hourly basis, whatever the frequency is, and it gets uploaded directly on LinkedIn, or it can get directly uploaded on Facebook or on Instagram. This video is specifically for your Google Drive photos getting uploaded on LinkedIn. So without any further delay, let's start. So first of all, you must have a Gmail account, and in that you will go to the option of the Google Drive. You will click on that. After that, you must create a folder with a specific name so that you can remember which folder you are using. And then you will click or double click on it and you will find the files which you have uploaded. And next thing is that you must create the share option as anyone with the link. So we'll click on anyone with the link rather than restricted, and over here it will be default viewer, so we will let it remain as viewer and we will click on done. After that we'll go into the folder upload some files. So I've uploaded 3 files for the record purpose of Zapier. Next we will move on to Zapier. Over here you can see that 2 zaps are already created for Facebook and YouTube and LinkedIn and YouTube integration. For those who have not watched this, you can check the video out. It has already been uploaded in the playlist AI and automation. So we'll create a zap, click on create, click on zaps, and then we will have the option of selecting trigger. We'll click on trigger, we will select Google Drive, we will select the event. It will be new file in folder, and then we will have to connect. So I have already connected my Google account. So for those who have not, you will just have the same option like over here you will click on it and you will have a connection option. Input your username, password. After that you will have an option of allowing. You will click on allow, and then you are good to go. We will click on continue, and then so you can also select the option of new file. So new file will means that any file uploaded in your Google Drive in any of the folder, that will lead to creation of post. So it is better to select new file in folder. Continue, and then we will select my Google Drive, and then we will select the folder. So as you see, there is a folder by default that is created by Google Drive, like the folders which you use to access any file from an external link, or someone shares your file. So that comes in the shared with me folder. So rather than selecting any folder in the Google Drive, you must select the new file in folder, and we will click on trial. Thus, that is the folder which we have created, and this value must be at only return non-deleted files, because if you select either of the two, that will also create posts for files that you have moved to the rubbish bin. We will click on continue and then click on test trigger. Now it will fetch some records, and as you see, records have been fetched, and you will click on it. You will go down and you will see that the original file name must be somewhere around here. So original file name. Are you able to find original file name? Okay, so over here, original file name. So this is advanced curve part 3, and for this one it will be basic sketching tools. Okay, so for this one, this will be Boolean options. So these are some of the thumbnails that were created for the videos in the software hands-on tutorial for learning Siemens NX. This series comprises of 38 videos that includes the all the basic things, starting from how to use the software, the user interface, the default preferences, and how to set certain things which are used both in modeling and assembly, like pan, move, etc., right click shortcuts, left click shortcuts, scroll down, scroll button shortcuts, etc. Then we move on to the sketching, then modeling, then assembly, and everything is covered in detail. And every part, every option of every pop-up dialog box that we have for any tool is discussed in detail. So do check that out if you are a mechanical engineer. So we'll proceed with the file B, basic sketching. So we'll continue with selected record and then we'll have the option of selecting a action. So we will click on LinkedIn and then we will have the action event. So create company update, create share update. So we'll click either on create company update or create share update. So I'll click on create share update, or you can click on create company update. Company update will create a post on your company page and share update will create a post on your profile. We'll test the connection and it is good to go. We'll click on continue. What is the comment that we want? So comment will be the title, and what is visible, it is visible to anyone. Content title, it will be title. So comment we will delete for now. Content description, so you can describe the content with, like, if you are having any description in mind, or you are taking the file from the Google files, then you can have the description part. Content image URL, that is something which is important, so we'll click on the download URL, file extension png, owner display name, and I think that it will be web content link. That is something which we should select. Download URL, web content link, that will be, let us try it out. So content URL, again, content image URL, content. Okay, we'll select web content and alternate. For comment, you can write like check my latest work and feel free to contact us if you have any queries. And then we will give another line and we will write the link, for example, for communication. So it will be HTTPS and etc etc, or we can write our email account or whatever we want. So we can write that link. For now I'm just having a trial, so I'll just click on continue and then I will just test these steps. So I'll test it and let me see what happens. Everything is good, then it will be display that the share was sent to your LinkedIn. So we will click on LinkedIn and then we will go on our profile to see if the update was successfully created. Yes. So the post has been created on your profile. So you can do the comment whatever you want. Like you see in my general comments on my company page updates, you see that I write learn Siemens and etc. Follow proper tech tutorial. Will you click on it? You will go to the company page. Then you have the link for the YouTube playlist. Then it has some details like what are the things that are in the playlist of the 38 videos. Then for subscription, I have added a link and there are some hashtags which I've added to improve the search engine optimization, that is the SEO. And again, the link of the content is available over here. So this is something which you can do very easily. And I think that for those who have understood, you can then, after that, after the test is complete, the share was sent successfully, you will click on publish and this Zap will publish itself and the Google Drive will keep on getting auto checked every 15 minutes, and the zaps will happen accordingly. Like for example, I will show you an example also. I want to create or upload some file. So I will upload file upload, and then I will go to install Primavera and I will select the advanced IC engine design. I will click on open. So two files I have uploaded to Google Drive. Then we will have to wait for 15 minutes and we will see if these apps are completed or not. So I'll go back to the apps, I'll go back to the app history, okay, and you can see 313, hmm, and you can see 313. Okay, so this app was a manual app, that is why it is not there. So we will just be on the history page and we will keep on checking our LinkedIn, and I will pause the video and I will resume it after 15 minutes. So I have resumed the video and I think must have automated. So let us check that out. First of all, we'll go to the Zapier, we'll go to Zap history, and we will check for the Zap runs. So last automated run was 29th January. That was the day of the time of the 38 of 38 learning Siemens NX, and 6th February and 6th February, both 233, 233 are for the trial runs which we have made for this app, that is for Google Drive and LinkedIn automation. Next, we will go to our LinkedIn profile and we'll click on the profile and check the post section if the post has been created, and we'll click on see all post, and then we will see that the post has been created for both of them are for 3 minutes before. So 3 minutes before means 2:44. So 2:44, 3 minutes, no, 11 minutes. So 2:33, the both the posts were created, and the last post which was manually created is this one. So ultimately, our Zap was successful, and today we learned how to automate our Google Drive postings to our LinkedIn profile, and you can also do the same with your LinkedIn company page. You just need to select the either of the two options. And for those who want to know how to create a company post update, you can check our previous video of LinkedIn YouTube automation, and there you will find the LinkedIn company page post creation. So the next video will be for Zapier using the Google Drive and the Facebook post creation. And those who are enjoying the series of AI and automation and want to support our channel, do hit the subscribe button and like our videos. You can also share our videos with your friends, with your colleagues, your classmates, your juniors, etc. So till the next time we meet, goodbye.